It's very difficult to find a right word to express my anger, my distress.
Tell me, when was the last time you saw your family? When was the last time you spoke to your mum?
I spoke to her. That was after my father died. My father died in November 2017. So I learned my father died through text message. That was 4 days later. And then I spoke to my mother. She answered my call. And around 1 or 2 weeks passed from that date, and I tried to call again, but no answer. And I tried again the first week after New Year, that was 2018, no answer. And I keep trying every week, and then even the no sound of the phone lines coming, just cut off everything. And so since then, I lost contact with my mother. She's widow, and she's a single. She's no other children, and I am the only child of the family. And she's 76 years old, and she lives in countryside. So I found it's very difficult to accept.
What do you think's happened to her?
I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know. I have little girls. Every day morning I take her to school. I live in North London. And on the way go to school and return to school, I can see lots of posters on the tree. Said, I lost my lovely cat. I lost my lovely dog. I will reward you 200 pounds or 300 pounds. Whenever I see that poster, I feel put question about humanity of this world. We have also a kind of objection about media's overwhelmingly reporting Uighur Muslims' problems. Of course, we are Muslim more than 1,000 years, but this is about human tragedy. This humanitarian
It's not just
issue,
a Muslim
not
issue.
about Muslim. So we really call to the media not divide, not classify us by our religion. These Uyghurs are Muslims since 10th century. We are just like any other Turkish or Pakistan, any other community like that. This is a Holocaust in the 21st century. We keep saying never again, but this is happening in the hands of Chinese government.
Asian Network's
Big Debate.